Hi everyone, welcome to another plan with me. And today I'm going to be planning again in my A5 rings planner. Let's get a couple of pages out. I'm going to be planning for the week of next week. Okay, so next week is starting Monday the 6th of February. This is the collection I'm going to be using today, and this is new in my shop. It's called Wonderland, and as you can guess and see, it's an Alice in Wonderland inspired kit collection. So let's do the kit first. The kit's 4 pages. You can buy the mini kit, which is the first 2 pages, or the full kit, which is all 4 pages, plus the add-ons. So the first page, we've got our 9 full boxes as usual, absolutely gorgeous illustrations. That's page 2. Page 3, you've got your glitter headers, your dots and boxes and date covers and things. Page 4, we've got this washi with the teapots on it, and then washi with the playing cards and some handy boxes. And then this is the add-on deco, which is so cute. I love it. So that's available to buy in my shop now. So let's do a little plan with me. So first things first, I'm going to put my date covers on. It seems to be a sensible thing to start with. Let's start by putting these date covers on. I'll show you, they're very, very cute. Just going to button those up to this edge. I feel like I'm getting in the swing of planning with this A5 rings planner now. So the Monday is going to be the 6th. Let's put, I liked it last time actually when I put the date covers on the glitter headers. Not the date covers, the date dots, the little numbers. I'm just whiting out the text behind the stickers, just in case it shows through. You don't have to do that. I love these date covers. I like the colours in this kit as well. Pink, purple, blue and that turquoisey teal colour. It's lovely colour scheme. What am I doing? I'm trying to peel it off. Got a busy couple of weeks coming up. There's a lot of things to write down in my planner. So I want my plan to be functional, but I also want it to be pretty. Okay, let's put the glitter headers down. What colour do we want first? I think I might start with blue. Let's start with this blue colour. And I am going to try and colour block as usual. I just prefer that, I think. I used to just mix up all the colours, but colour blocking is just quite satisfying to me, so that's what I'm going to do. That looks good. Okay, I'm happy with that. So it's the 6th on Monday. I'm going to put the little date dot like I did in the last plan with me. I put them sort of like essentially okay. That's that for now. That looks really cute. There's my base done, and then let's get our full boxes. It's exciting. So if we're going to colour block, then obviously he's really purple, he's really green, she's red, so she's the odd one out, but she's blue. Let's see if we can colour block a bit. Okay, well Alice, I suppose she's got to be Monday, hasn't she? Let me just have a quick look in my other planner. I've got this little catch-all planner, my mini Happy Planner Vertical, and I do kits for this size. I just want to check, see my monthly calendar and see what I've got on. So I've got an appointment in the morning on Tuesday, something on Wednesday, something on Thursday, and that's the last day of term. Okay, I've got something here, so I don't want the box at the top. Monday, I don't think I've got anything yet. Right, I've got checklists. I think they'll be useful. I'm going to just put this weekly tracker. I might change this. I'm only using one a week, so I might change that to something else. I don't know. Leave me a comment or something if there's something you'd rather have in that space in the kit. There's my weekly tracker. Okay. Right, okay, so I'm going to just refer to my little planner. Let's do on here, the rabbits have got to go to the vets for a little operation. Bless them. So that's going to go there. And I'll see if I can find a sticker to go in there with a little rabbit on it or something. Right, I've got an appointment Tuesday morning. And then there's something I have to remember for the kids on this day. Oh, this day. Okay. There's a couple of things. Right, so this is the last day of term. And it's also dress up. I think it's dress up as a pirate day or something for one of the kids. So I might have to. I'll write these things in my catch-all planner, otherwise I'll forget. Right, on Monday, I might put a checklist. From these, I've given these like an ombre feel, so each one's like slightly multicoloured. I don't know if you can see. It's like blue going into pink. I'm going to put that on Monday. I'm sure there'll be lots of jobs on Monday to do. I might put a checklist here too. Because apart from my appointment in the morning, which shouldn't last long, I don't think I've got any other things apart from worky stuff. So put that there. Friday, I'm going to want a checklist as well. I'm going to use this other blue one. Just before they break up for school, just to make sure I've got all my work stuff done, because we're going to take quite a lot of time off the next week to do fun things. Right, let's have a think. I have been putting a little flag here. I don't know why, just have, and I quite like it, so that's going to go there. Let's see if I want some deco on here. It would be cute to have the little key with the lock, wouldn't it? So I'm going to put that there on that little flag. And then what else have we got in here? There's like a teapot. I think I'm going to grab this other turquoise one and put it here. And then I might just put it there. There we go. And then here, I haven't got anything. Friday. I think I'm going to put another one of these. With, okay, last day of term. I like this playing card. Okay, right, I like that. And then here, I've got any boxes left? I've got this one here. Tuesday, I don't think there's anything else I've got to really remember. I might put I'm just going to fill this space up. I'm sure I'll find something to write in there. I just like the way that looks. Okay, right, now purple, blue, green. Okay, I'm going to use this purpley flag here. That, and I feel like I might need a playing card. Somewhere. Maybe it could go there. I don't hate that, that's fine. And then this, I think, will go here. Yeah, that's fine. Good. I think we're done. There's a little space here. I think what I'm going to use is a bit of my washi, just to fill in that space, and then if I want to write anything I could just put a label or something on top. I'm just going to butt it down to this edge, pull that across like so, and then get my ruler and knife. There we go, that's really cute. I like that. So I've got loads of stickers left over as usual, but I will use them in my other capsule planner just to use them up. This is like my neat planner. that's it. Loads of stickers left over, loads of deco, but it's very sweet. Let's grab my planner. And put it in here. There we go. It's so pretty. Absolutely love it. Really pleased with it. It's really cute. So that's my plan with me for today, showcasing the Wonderland collection, which as always I will link down below. If you're watching this on YouTube, it'll be linked in the video description, and you can shop the collection there. You can buy everything a la carte, you can buy the whole thing. There's add-ons, there's alphabet stickers, there's functional stickers, there's loads of different add-ons for this collection in lots of different planner formats. This is the standard vertical format that I'm using in my A5 rings. So thanks very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon for another video. Bye.